What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own exploit. There's going to be a little mini series here, and today I'm going to start off by showing you guys how to make the GUI for your exploit. So you're going to need a plugin. This plugin is called GUI to Lua. It's free, so go ahead and install that. And once you have it, you can find it up here somewhere. There you go. And now, second thing you need is a free injector. I'm using this Evon injector executor. It doesn't matter which one you use, as long as it has a script panel where you can type in. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's get started. So first things first, let's add a screen GUI. You can call this whatever you want. You can call this exploit panel, whatever you want, doesn't matter. And now you can make a frame. And make sure you set this size to 0, 0, and 0, 0. This way it's going to fit on all monitors. Now you can scale up again. Because now it fits on all monitors, no matter what monitor you're using, or no matter what device you're using. It's going to work. So right here in the center. And okay, it's fitting here, and then also going to fit here. It's going to fit on this, and that. So it's simple. All you have to do is just change the size. So put the scale, make sure the scale has the size and the offset is 0. So that's pretty simple. We can go ahead and put it in the center there. And now scale it up to whatever we want. You can put it in the corner or whatever you want. I'm gonna put it here, right there. Doesn't matter really. You can call this frame whatever you want. I'm gonna call it primary because it's our primary frame. It's gonna show all the stuff. So let's move on. Just to make this look a little bit fancier, you can add a UI corner. That's gonna be around in the edges, as you can see. And you can add a text label and make it say whatever you want, really. Exploit GUI by Boxworks, whatever you want. And then you can change the font to also whatever you want. I'll scale that up there. So now we got our exploit GUI by me. We're just gonna name this made by. Okay. Just so we know this is the text that says who made it. Now I'm gonna do something simple. So I'm gonna add a text button. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, it's really simple. Same. You can call this whatever you want. Blah 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 blah. You can do change team or whatever you want, really. Print. Let's just start off by doing printing a statement. Print hello world. So just making it look a little bit better, fancy, and all that. Now, of course, you can edit this to whatever you want. You can edit it to look however you want. You can scale it up. It doesn't even matter. Now, printing hello world. We're just gonna name this print hello world. Okay, now we have our basic GUI here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna drag this into the workspace. Once you're done with the panel, you're gonna drag this into the workspace. Find the plugin, and then click the exploit panel, and click this, or whatever you want. This one is local, and this one is normal, I believe. So let's convert it. Nope, they're both local. Okay. Or you can do module script. if you want. So here we have it. This is the entire script of the GUI. All you have to do is to go down here and make sure you do exploit panel dot active is equals to true. Actually, it's called enabled here, I believe. Actually, never mind. It's the primary we need to set to active. Yeah. So it's active, and we're gonna do primary dot draggable is equals to true. So what you can do here, local exploit panel, set this to the game.core GUI. Okay, super important. And this is just the player's GUI. So once you've set the exploit panel.parent and game.core GUI, okay. So once you have converted all this, you can go ahead and just go down if you want. Actually, just go here. Make sure you have type this in right here, and then we're gonna do the function. So you can call this functions, whatever you really want. And now what we're gonna do, print hello world, top mouse button, one click, connect function, and we're simply gonna print hello world. This is gonna happen when we click it. So let's test this out. So all we have to do is just take this entire script, join a random Roblox game. I'm just gonna join this right here, and make sure once you're in, click inject. Right. If that happens, all you have to do is turn off your antivirus. Turn it off for a little bit. It's gonna automatically turn back on. And inject. There you go. It's now injected. And now what we can do, so we can go paste this in here. So yeah. Now we have all of this game.core UI. So yeah. Let's test it out. Click on execute. And nothing happened. Oh, okay, I figured out why. I accidentally didn't have this with me. I forgot to add it in. So let's try it one more time. We have added it in now. And it's the game.core GUI. Executed. Roblox, and here it is. The exploit GUI is here. Let's click print hello world. Click F9. And it's just hello world in the developer console here. We're spam a bunch of times, can say hello world over and over again. Now, that's a basic tutorial on how to do it. We're gonna fix a few things next time, because this GUI right here is set to scale the entire monitor. This text isn't, and neither is this button. So it's just kind of stretching it out and setting it to fit however it wants to. That's it for today's episode then. In the next episode, we're gonna be doing a little bit more functionality, making the GUI look a little bit better, and just genuinely having some fun. Now in the end, this is only for your character, right? So it's client-sided. The only thing you need to do if you want it to be server-sided, of course, making server-side scripts is a little bit more difficult, and it's more dangerous considering the factor that you will probably get banned almost instantly. You can do remote events and use normal scripts to do this. Remote events is probably the best way of doing this. As you can see, it's draggable. So remote events is probably the best way of doing this, because normal scripts won't actually work for GUIs. But more of that in the next episode. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one.